We're going to get into making an old-fashioned, which is called that because it really is old-fashioned. It really is a drink that harkens back to the earliest days of cocktail, when we were really just trying to take the spirit that we had and soften it up with just a little bit of sweetness, just to allow the flavors of the spirit to shine. And this is why this drink is such a great way to highlight any base spirit, because it's simple, straightforward flavors that work very well together. Just going to start with 1 sugar cube in the bottom of our glass. If you don't have cubes, you can use a bar spoon of granulated sugar. Whatever sugar you use is going to have an impact on the drink, so just make that decision consciously. To that we'll add 2 to 3 dashes of Angostura bitters, bringing that aromatic compound and a little bit of that spicy note to the drink. To that we want to add just a touch of soda and sort of let it sit for a second, let the cube draw some of the liquid into the cube, and then we just break it up. And what you can see is, from that soda, sugar cube, and bitters, we've got a nice, almost a sort of a syrupy paste that is going to be the basis of this drink, bringing all of those components into the whiskey itself. As I said, whiskey is going to be our base for this drink. We'll use the Lot 40 Canadian Rye, and it is meant to be a spirituous drink. So we're going to add 2 ounces of the whiskey. Essentially, this drink is done. In the olden days, before ice, this drink would have been done. But we'll give it a little stir with some fresh cubes. As you can see, I didn't over stir it. It's a drink that will sit on the ice and dilute a little bit as it goes, but it's meant to be a little bit spirit forward. Just make sure that it's chilled. And to that, a little bit of citrus oil, in this case orange oil. We'll finish off this drink with a nice, bright, citrusy component. We'll slide that right in as our garnish. And you can see why it's called the Old Fashioned. There's not a lot going on there, but it sure is delicious. Enjoy.